In this video guide, I will share with you how to log in IBC Bank step by step. So friends, if you want to log in banking online, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for IBC Bank. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. So to log in, go to your personal here and then choose your ID. And as you can see here, click ID. For example, this ID, click sign in. You will redirect it to sign in page. So from here, just a way to log into this page, write your password. After writing your ID, write your password here and then click submit. So click submit this option. If you want to log in with your app, just download IBC Bank app. You can download this app on Google Play. This is the app as you can see here. Download this app and complete your process. Set up your app. After that, log in with ID and password to option here. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this